Travel Smart, 10 Insider Tips to Explore New York City for Under $1,000. Travel Smart, 10 Insider Tips to Explore New York City for Under $1,000. Use credit card points to book flights and hotels. Fly standby to grab last-minute, cheaper seats. Travel during off-peak seasons to save on airfare and accommodation. Stay in budget-friendly hostels or Airbnb rentals in Queens or Brooklyn. Use public transportation like the subway instead of taxis or rideshares. Eat at local delis, food trucks, and markets for affordable, authentic meals. Visit free attractions like Central Park, the Staten Island Ferry, and the High Line. Purchase a New York City pass for discounted entry to major sites. Book walking tours or self-guided tours to explore neighborhoods on foot. Shop at discount stores and hunt for deals on Broadway tickets at TKTS booths. Budget-friendly places to visit in New York City. 1. Central Park, open daily 6 a.m. to 1 a.m., free entry, perfect for picnics and strolls. 2. Staten Island Ferry, runs 24/7, free ride with views of the Statue of Liberty. 3. The High Line, open daily 7 a.m. to 10 p.m., free elevated park with city views. 4. Brooklyn Bridge Park, open daily 6 a.m. to 1 a.m., great for skyline views and walking. 5. Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, open Friday 5:30 p.m. to 9 p.m., free admission then. 6. Chelsea Market, open daily 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., affordable food stalls and shops. 7. Smorgasburg Food Market, weekends only, Saturdays 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sundays 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., affordable eats and will. 8. Queens Night Market, Saturdays 4 p.m. to midnight, seasonal, diverse and budget-friendly food. 9. Dumbo, down under Manhattan Bridge Overpass, open all day, scenic neighborhood with affordable eateries. The Cloisters, open Wednesday to Sunday 10 a.m. to 5:15 p.m., suggested. Admission $25, offers medieval art in a peaceful setting, affordable eats near these spots. Joe's Pizza, Greenwich Village, open daily 10 a.m. to 4 a.m., classic new. York Slices under $3. Los Tacos No. 1, Chelsea Market, open daily 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., authentic and affordable Mexican tacos. Shake Shack, Madison Square Park, open daily 11 a.m. to 10 p.m., tasty burgers at reasonable prices. Guys, Midtown, open daily 10 a.m. to 3 a.m., famous for budget-friendly chicken and rice platters. Titano's Pizzeria, Coney Island, open Thursday to Sunday 12 p.m. to 10 o'clock p.m., classic New York. Disclaimer, business hours and rules may change without notice, always check official websites or contact locations directly before visit. We built our digital businesses at newbeginning.com, which is why we can pursue our dreams. What is your dream? We'd like to see if we can help you achieve your goals. Visit www.newbeginning.com. Thanks and God bless you.